Welcome back to Gillian's Art Flow. Thank you for joining me. I'm just in my little studio room having a little play. I have a lot of leftover paints. Got a canvas and one that I did that, you know guys, I'm not that pleased with it. It's not, I've let it dry. I did it, let it dry. It's not really grabbing me at all. So I give it a little bit of a sand down. Wiped it down, let it dry a little while, and if I'm just sort of playing, then I tend to use canvases rather than use a new canvas. So that'd be a Cassart white. I don't know what colours I've got. I believe that I have got the DeviantArt metallic paint, a little bit of tiny bit of berry left. I've got a bit of silver. I think that might be Pebbio. No, I think that might be, oh my goodness, that might be golden silver, I don't know. And this one is a DeviantArt something, and this one is like a Cassart ultramarine with a DeviantArt pewter mixed into it, and this one is a mix up of about, I don't know how many colours. So anyway, that's what I've got. I am using the Cassart black for my swipe colour. So I will tell you, because I do want cells, I have put in the tiniest, I don't use silicone, I've got the tiniest drop of Australian macadamia nut oil mixed with Australian safflower seed oil mixed with coconut oil that comes up as a Aussie 3 miracle oil that I use on my hair. I've used this before. If you watched me before, I've used it and it goes mad. I put a tiniest bit in. Does that class as using silicone? I don't think so. Anyway, I've set these up. I'm going to use the hairdryer to move my paint around, which means these are going to go all over the place. So let's just put those there. Let's get started. I'm going to put some tunes on.
I don't care about the stars in the sky. I don't care about the reason why. I don't care when it's so cold outside. Baby, you're my burning light. I don't care about stars tonight. I just want you by my side. Baby, you light up the sky. Here it's only you and me. Hear the whisper of the sea. Baby, you're all that I need. in the sky. I don't care about the reason why. I don't care when it's so cold outside. Baby, you're my burning light.